Hello and welcome. We're going to work with chroma-key or green screen material to be exact. We're going to try to make the green in videos become transparent. By the way, I make lots of videos, so check out my channel page later. First, let's place a base in the background down here in the timeline. I'm actually going to get rid of all this audio tracking, all the audio tracks. I'm splitting the clips with Ctrl L and deleting the audio tracks with the delete key so I have more room for video tracks. We're going to start with this curtain. Let's drag this one in. And it just opens. This one is probably not recorded, probably has been animated in some program. So let's just get started with that. We're going to click on the clip. And here in the effects we have this button. And here we're going to go to keying and pick chroma key. And already it's working pretty good. Let's try to do one better. We're going to select the exact shade of green in action. If we just click on this green, this color field, we could select pick screen color, but unfortunately it doesn't show the original green for us to pick. So let's close that. To get the green back, we either have to disable chroma key, which makes us unable to click the color selector. Instead, chroma key has to be left turned on. We need to change mode from composite to original. This allows us to see the original video and also to click on the key color. Pick screen color is the next thing to click, and then the screen. Confirm. Now we have to set this back from original to composite. Let's zoom in. We can right click, zoom 400% and use the scroll bars here to see the edge. We have lower tolerance and upper tolerance values. If we set them to high, lower tolerance starts eating the material. Upper tolerance makes it semi-transparent until it completely disappears. So let's first set the lower tolerance. And for that I'm going to zoom out to fit. It looks very much that at 55, 54 the material gets destroyed, so let's stay at 52. Next it's time to change the upper tolerance. Also around 57 it starts damaging the material we want to see. So let's set this to 53. Time to zoom in 400%, scroll to the edge. I think that's pretty good. There's nearly no green left. We can make it softer by lowering the lower tolerance. And we can use alpha to see how it actually performs. This would allow us to spot any black dots out in this area, for example, easily. We are going to roll with that. Let's take a look at the result. Looking pretty good. I'll just move this clip to another track. And between the two we're going to have an alcapa eating something. We're going to see what it eats. Let me just get rid of the audio as well. Unlink and delete. And we could try to just click on the curtain and copy the chroma key. Then we can click on the alcapa and right click in this area to paste. However, I can see that the alcapa is slightly transparent. You might be able to see it too. The flag shines through. This means I will go through the same steps. Mode to original. Key color to pick screen color, click OK, and back to composite. Whoa, it's gone. Time to lower the lower tolerance and also the upper tolerance. To start with the lower tolerance, it looks like a value of 19 is about good. Time to zoom in again, maybe just 200%. The chroma key effect pretty much eats on the edge of the alpaca. Let's see if we can soften this. I'm going to increase the upper tolerance. Whoa, ghostly. There's not very much we can do. 25 seems to be good. Alright, good enough for me. Let's shorten this and let's drag in the smartphone clip. Now let's see if this makes any sense. I don't think it makes much sense, to be honest. Oh, also it's 4K, so let's zoom in to 50% size. I'm going to manually add keying chroma key. Setting mode to original, clicking key color. Pick screen color, clicking on the screen, pressing OK, setting mode back to composite. Pretty good. I don't think we're going to actually get better than this. Let's play around with the values. No, any change pretty much destroys this whole thing. Yeah, I can see the flag behind it. So let's stick with these values and take a look. Yeah, there's a lot of green light on his thumb, but there are no tools, I believe, that could currently fix this. So we're just gonna have to live with that. We can have some fun though. I'm just gonna shorten this, and I'm gonna cut out the flag a little. We can rotate the flag and scale it down a little. Touch flag, now for just 99 cents on your app store. Play it now. Hours of fun. Let's try out one more clip. Chicken. There's some feet on the ground and they are kind of in the corner here. So there's more things to fix. But apart from that, basically the same steps. Keying, chroma key, key color, finder, mode back to composite. And I'm just going to position them on the flag respectfully. And lower tolerance, yeah, we can increase that a tiny bit. And upper tolerance, nope, can't touch that. And here's the final result. And here they are tasting that freedom. And here they are tasting that freedom. So these are the many ways you can use chroma key successfully in Olive. Finally, time to export this. Remember to set the quality to 20, that's my recommendation. Please subscribe to support this channel, give this video a like if it helped or was interesting at all. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about video editing, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, ciao!